In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website name on Godaddy in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've decided on a rebranding or simply want a fresh look, changing your website's name can be an exciting step forward for your online presence. I'll guide you through each step to make sure you do it quickly and correctly. First, let's start by accessing your Godaddy account. Navigate to the Godaddy homepage on your preferred web browser. As you arrive at the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your Godaddy username and password. Make sure you enter them correctly to avoid any unnecessary login troubles. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. Godaddy provides options to recover your username or reset your password right from this page. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This action will grant you access to your Godaddy account dashboard. From here, you're one step closer to updating your website's name. Now navigate to the website section of your dashboard. This section is where all your website related settings and information are managed. Here you'll find the various sites you have with Godaddy if you have more than one. In the website section, look for the specific website you want to rename. Once you find it, you should see an option that says Edit Website. Clicking on this will take you into the website editor, a powerful tool that allows you to make a multitude of changes to your site, from the design elements to the back-end settings. Now for a critical part, accessing your website settings to change its name. Within the website editor interface, you'll want to head over to the Settings area. This can usually be found in the menu bar, potentially represented by a gear icon or simply labelled as Settings. This area will give you access to a range of configurations you can modify. Once you're in the Settings area, look for a subsection labelled Basic Information or something similar. This is typically where general information about your website is stored, including its name. Here within Basic Information, you should find the field to change your site's name. It might be clearly labelled as Site Name, Website Name, or something along those lines. Click into this field and type the new name you have decided on for your website. Be thoughtful about the new name, as it's one of the first things visitors notice. After you've typed in your new website name, it's important to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save, Update, or something equivalent. Once you click this, your new website name will be set in place. And there you have it, your Godaddy website name is changed. Remember, changing your website's name is a significant modification. It might be a good idea to inform your audience about the change beforehand to avoid any confusion. Also, consider updating any marketing materials, social media profiles, or business cards to reflect your new website name. Changing your website name can breathe new life into your online presence, capturing the essence of your brand, or simply giving your site a needed refresh. With these steps, you can confidently update your site's name on Godaddy in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials like this one.